Welcome back to the channel. If you love smooth, low-acid coffee but don't want to spend money on the wrong machine, hold up. Don't buy a cold brew maker before watching this video. In today's guide, we're revealing the top 5 cold brew coffee makers for 2026, tested for brew quality, ease of use, filtration, and overall value. Whether you prefer a quick electric brewer or a classic slow steep system, we'll help you find the perfect option for rich, refreshing coffee at home. Let's dive in and make sure you choose the right one. On number 1 is the Takaya Triton Cold Brew Coffee Maker, 2-quart. Is a simple and efficient solution for making smooth, low-acid cold brew coffee at home. Designed with a durable, BPA-free Triton plastic pitcher, airtight leak-proof lid, and fine mesh filter that keeps grounds out for a clean brew. It can produce up to 2 quarts, about 4 servings, of coffee concentrate, which can be stored fresh in the fridge for up to 2 weeks, making it convenient for daily use without constant brewing. The non-slip silicone handle improves grip while pouring, and its slim design fits easily in most refrigerator doors. In real-life use, the brewing process is straightforward. Just add coarse coffee grounds, water, and let it steep. And it consistently delivers smooth, less bitter coffee compared to hot brewing methods. The build quality is solid for the price, with shatter-resistant material and dishwasher-safe parts that make cleaning easy. However, there are a few trade-offs. The pitcher may leak if the lid isn't tightly secured, and it requires some fridge space during brewing, especially when placed on its side. Also, while the filter works well, very fine grounds can occasionally pass through. Overall, the pros include easy-to-use design, smooth and less acidic coffee, durable BPA-free construction, large capacity, and affordable price, while the cons include potential leakage if not sealed properly, slight sediment with fine grounds, and the need for fridge space during brewing. In conclusion, the Takaya Cold Brew Maker is ideal for beginners and regular coffee drinkers who want a budget-friendly, reliable, and easy way to make. On number 2 is the Vinci Express Cold Brew Coffee Maker, 1.4 liters. Is an innovative electric appliance designed for people who want fast, convenient cold brew without the traditional 12 to 24-hour wait, using its proprietary Circle Flow brewing technology to continuously circulate water through coffee grounds for quicker extraction. It offers 3 to 4 brew strength settings, light to extra bold, allowing users to customize their coffee depending on preference, with brew times ranging from about 5 to 25 minutes, which is significantly faster than standard methods. The machine features a durable glass carafe, simple push-button controls, and a built-in cleaning cycle, making it easy to operate and maintain for everyday use. In real-life scenarios, it performs well for busy users who want quick results, producing smooth, ready-to-drink cold coffee that can also be stored in the fridge for up to 10 days. However, while the speed is impressive, some reviews suggest that the flavor can be slightly lighter and less rich than traditional slow-steep cold brew, since rapid extraction may not fully replicate the depth of overnight brewing. The build quality is solid, but the multiple components can make cleaning and setup slightly more involved compared to simple pitchers. Pros include extremely fast brewing time, customizable strength settings, easy push-button operation, built-in cleaning function, and convenient brew and store design, while cons include higher price than manual brewers, slightly less authentic cold brew flavor, and more parts to clean and handle. Overall, the Vinci Express is ideal for users who prioritize speed and convenience over traditional brewing depth, making it a great option for busy lifestyles, though purists may still prefer classic overnight methods for richer flavor. On number 3 is the Royal Brew to 1987. Original Royal Brew Nitro Cold Brew Coffee Maker, 128 ounces, is a premium home keg system designed for coffee lovers who want to recreate cafe-style nitro cold brew with a creamy, foamy texture at home, using nitrogen or nitrous oxide cartridges to infuse coffee with microbubbles for a smooth, velvety finish. Built around a large 128-ounce stainless steel keg, it allows you to store and dispense multiple servings, making it ideal for frequent coffee drinkers or small gatherings. The system includes a stout-style faucet, pressure relief valve, and full dispensing kit, giving it an authentic draft coffee experience similar to what you'd find in coffee shops. In real-life use, once properly set up and charged, it delivers rich, cascading nitro coffee with a creamy mouthfeel, and many users report it produces a noticeably smoother and slightly sweeter taste compared to regular cold brew. However, it requires a bit of a learning curve, including proper filling, only about 50 to 75% capacity for gas infusion, and shaking/charging with cartridges to get the best results. Cleaning and maintenance are also more involved than simple cold brew pitchers, and cartridges must be purchased separately, adding to ongoing cost. Community feedback highlights that when used correctly, it produces smooth, rich nitro coffee, though improper setup can lead to weak foam or wasted cartridges. Pros include authentic nitro coffee experience at home, large 128-ounce capacity, creamy cafe-style texture, durable keg build, and long-term cost savings compared to buying coffee daily, while cons include higher upfront cost, need for gas cartridges, more complex setup and cleaning, and a learning curve for best results. Overall, the Royal Brew Nitro system is best suited for serious coffee enthusiasts who want barista-quality nitro cold brew at home, and while it requires more effort than standard brewers, it offers excellent value for those who regularly enjoy premium cold brew drinks. On number 4 is the Presto 02937 Dorothy Electric Rapid Cold Brewer. Is a compact and innovative coffee maker designed for users who want fast cold brew without the traditional 12 to 24-hour wait. Using a unique tornado spinning technology that rapidly circulates water through coffee grounds for quicker extraction. It can produce smooth, low-acid cold brew in as little as 15 minutes, making it one of the fastest options in its category. The unit features a glass carafe, about 22-ounce capacity, a speed control dial to adjust brew intensity, and a simple process. Just add water, coffee grounds, and let the machine spin, then press the plunger to filter. In real-life use, it performs well for quick daily brewing, delivering a smooth and less bitter taste since the coffee is never exposed to heat, though the flavor may not be as deep or rich as traditional slow-steep cold brew. The build quality is decent for its price range, with dishwasher-safe parts and easy storage thanks to a detachable cord. But the plastic components and smaller capacity may feel limiting for heavy users. Compared to manual brewers like Takea or Vinci Cold Brew 360, this model stands out for speed and convenience, though those slower methods often produce a fuller flavor profile. Pros include extremely fast brewing time, simple operation, compact design, adjustable brew speed, and affordable price, while cons include smaller capacity, slightly lighter flavor compared to traditional brewing, and reliance on electricity with moving parts that may wear over time. Overall, the Presto Dorothy is ideal for beginners or busy users who want quick, hassle-free cold brew at home, offering solid value for convenience-focused buyers rather than coffee purists. On number 5 is the Primula Burke Deluxe Cold Brew Coffee Maker, 1.6 quarts. Is a simple and budget-friendly solution for making smooth, low-acid cold brew at home, designed with a durable borosilicate glass carafe, removable fine mesh filter, and comfort grip handle that makes pouring easy and controlled. It can produce up to 6 cups, around 1.6 quarts of coffee, which is ideal for daily use or small households, and its slim design fits easily in most refrigerator doors for convenient overnight brewing. The brewing process is straightforward. Just add coarse grounds, pour water, and let it steep for about 12 to 24 hours, resulting in coffee that is up to 65% less acidic than hot brewing, giving a smoother, less bitter taste. In real-life use, it performs reliably for beginners and casual coffee drinkers, offering consistent results with minimal effort, and the dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup easy. However, since it relies on traditional slow steeping, it requires patience compared to electric brewers, and while the glass build looks premium, it can be more fragile if dropped. Compared to alternatives like the Takea, plastic and more durable, this model stands out for its better taste clarity and aesthetic glass design, though it's slightly less rugged. Pros include affordable price, smooth, low-acid coffee, easy-to-use design, removable filter for clean brewing, dishwasher-safe parts, and compact fridge-friendly size, while cons include long brewing time, glass fragility, and occasional fine sediment if very fine grounds are used. Overall, the Primula Burke is ideal for users who want a simple, reliable, and cost-effective way to make cold brew at home, offering excellent value for beginners and everyday coffee drinkers without needing complex equipment.